Hi everyone, today we're talking about the BBM and why should you use it. BBM, which stands for BlackBerry Messenger, was once one of the most popular messaging apps around. It was known for its security features like encrypted messaging. But in recent years, it's been overshadowed by competitors like WhatsApp and Facebook Messenger. So is BBM still worth using in 2024? Well, BBM still has some advantages. For one, it's still a very secure messaging app. Your messages are encrypted, so you can be sure that no one is eavesdropping on your conversations. BBM also offers some unique features that you won't find in other messaging apps. For example, BBM has channels, which are like group chats that anyone can join. There are also BBM groups, which are private groups that you can only be invited to. And of course, BBM still lets you make voice and video calls. So, if you're looking for a secure messaging app with some unique features, BBM is still a good option. Here are some things to keep in mind before you download BBM. BBM is no longer as popular as it once was, so you may not find all of your friends and family on the app. BBM is not available on all platforms. It is currently available for Android and iPhone, but it is no longer supported on BlackBerry devices. Overall, BBM is a messaging app that has fallen out of favor in recent years. However, it still has some advantages, such as its security features and unique features. So, if you're looking for a secure messaging app with a different feel, BBM is worth checking out. Got questions on BlackBerry Messenger? Drop a comment below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech and communication tips. Callmama, connecting people with loved ones.